this space. Personally selected by Patriji. Thanks to Patriji. ಏನೇ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಾವು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ನಾನು ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೋ ವಿತ್ ಎನಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಟೂ ಮೆನಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಡೋದು ಲೈಕ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಗೋ ವಿತ್ ಸಮ್ ಒನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಗಿವ್ ಒನ್ ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅಂತ ವಿ ವೆಂಟ್ ವಿತ್ ನೇಮ್ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಎಂಟಿ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಝೀರೋ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆರ್ಕಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಾವು ಡಿಸೈನರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ಸ್ empty space in the mind. Empty space represents mind. We are creating empty minds here. Sir, what sir?
Yesterday, I got a message, the power of silence. He said it, and they were to speak. And only yesterday was just I had no time to contemplate. I think as usual, Patriji is there, so to talk nothing, you can just come and sit and talk. But today, what I'm thinking,
10 minutes then.
10 minutes, okay. Just I will give you, that's all. Then you build the building up on that. So the message came, I had no subject or anything. I had read one book nearly 20 years back, Power of Silence, by one Swamiji from Ramkrishna. So in that still I remember, a seed sprouts from the earth without any noise. Similarly, the nature does all its job without noise. Similarly, Himayaji took an example of a baby growing in the womb without any sound. Well, it is still only that. When I sat and started talking with my guru, what is the power of silence, where it starts, where it ends, all that. Then what I got from my inner guru, I am going to share with you in 10 minutes. You all know what is silence. Silence means what? Without any noise. So that means opposite word for the silence is noise. What is the creation? Creation is the unification of silence and the noise. Omkar. See, in the universe, there is only one sound called Omkara. Then what is silence? There is cosmic energy. Cosmic energy doesn't make any sound. It is silent. So the cosmic energy is called Shakti, and the Omkara is called Shiva. Shiva and Shakti combining together, creation starts. Anything for that matter. Even that Swami from Ramkrishna gave the example, is sprouted. Now you tell me, whether was there any sound or not? He told, it sprouts in the silence. As a meditator, I don't agree. Anything to create, any change is required, there must be two. With one it is just not possible. That is the science, law of science, physics. When two combines, or more than two combine, the outcome comes. So, with silence alone, it doesn't come. There is sound as well as silence. Both are there. Shiva and Shakti, both are there. Seed to sprout. Difficult to understand? No, I'll explain further. You come to silence. Is there anything called absolute silence? Sorry, absolute silence is not there in this universe. If you want really absolute silence, you have to go much above. Not in this Pindada.
Relative silence.
Relative silence. That is, you can call it a gross silence and subtle silence. Similarly, noise if you take, there is a gross noise and a subtle noise. Agreed? Now, when both are united, the creation starts. Whole universe is created by that. Our scripture says, there was only Omkara, there was only sound, then there was only Shiva Shakti combined. That's what our scripture says. You go to any religion for that matter. Recently, I am just going across, Islam and Christianity and all, they also tell the same thing. There was only sound and the shape. They are there. With that, creation started. So our creation is what? A chain. Then I asked the question, my inner group. What happens if silence alone and if noise alone, what happens? Can you tell what happens? If there is silence alone and the noise alone?
No output.
Huh?
No output.
No?
Output.
Not no output, sorry. The destruction starts. If there is absolute silence, destruction starts. When there is an absolute noise, destruction starts. That means when you bifurcate this, sound and the silence, both the destruction starts. For example, the binding force for anything is, what is it? As Himayadi put it, he, we can say. That we don't know what is it. It is a force, it is a power, whatever you may call it. You may call it Bhagavanta, Allah, Almighty, you may call it anything, but it is one. That is binding all that. Now let us come to this chair. Now, what is making this to sustain? There is movement in this. Whole universe is made up of atomic principle and the nucleus is there, electrons are rotating. In this, electrons are rotating. You are alive. How you are alive? Your heartbeat. It pumps the blood and it circulates throughout the body. Who is doing that and who is doing this movement? Electrons, anybody is moving? No, any scientist is moving. Or the blood circulation? Have they found out any means to circulate the blood? If at all they need an instrument. Without instrument, they cannot do that. So who is doing all that is that one. You may call it anything. Agreed? Now suppose absolute silence means what? Even. See, again, as I told you, gross and subtle. Our sense organs cannot recognize both. Sense organs are so weak, they are useless sense organs. So if you want to listen to the absolute noise and absolute silence, you have to go to him. Then only you can listen to that. Now I will come to that. Here, what happens? Even an ant walks. When it steps, will there be noise or not?
Noise is there.
Must be there. Our senses may not be able to recognize. Our scientists, they must not have found out the instruments to check the level of noise, but there is noise. When there is a movement, there must be noise. Movement is what?
Fixed.
No, one side movement. If it is reverse, it is called vibration. Either there should be a movement or vibration for sound. But our instruments and our sense organs may not be able to recognize. Now an ant is walking, we may not be able to recognize the sound of that footstep. But ant, that sound is there or not? It is there. So like that, there is nothing like, definitely, whole universe, nothing is not stationary. The word stationary is taken for, we can say, our Vyavaharika Gnana. That means to move on further, we have made some assumptions. So assumptions made, one of the assumptions is static and dynamic. There is nothing like static. There is nothing. Everything is moving in the universe. So when everything is moving in the universe, there must be noise. Agreed? Okay. So, if you want to really go to the absolute silence, distraction. Now what are you doing? Daily, just before sitting here, what you are doing? What we did about 45 minutes, what is that? Meditation. What is that meditation? Creating an absolute silence. But we are not able to create the absolute solution. Absolute silence. The day you can get the absolute silence, you will become one with He, not with any other gods. Even Parabrahma is not the He. So far I was thinking Parabrahma is ultimate because he is Nirakaranta, but above him there is somebody else. So you will become He. The moment you found out the absolute silence. So meditation is how powerful? That means what indirectly? We have to kill our mind. Body live it, body goes. But who is there to trouble us? Life after life, birth after birth. Who is troubling us? Mind. Soul will not trouble us. Soul is pure, 100%. It is equal to He. So soul knows everything. A to Z in this universe, it knows. So we don't have to tame the soul. Whom we have to tame? Mind. Whom we have to kill? Mind. How we have to kill? By absolute silence. That's all. The way for absolute silence is meditation. But reaching absolute silence, methods are there. You have to reach. So the people who have reached it, they have found, they have mastered the absolute silence. They have reached it. There, you will not have neither the noise or the silence. That is totally different. That part is totally different. They are all the planes below Parabrahma. Below Parabrahma. Above Parabrahma, there are other lokas. There will be only unity. Below Parabrahma, there is duality. You take anything, duality is there. As long as duality is there, it has to be there. No one can be happy and misery and momentary, all that duality. Whereas if you cross that and reach the above Parabrahma Loka, there duality dies, there will be only one, singularity. For that we are doing meditation. I don't know, but I am confident because though not in this birth, next birth, I am going to achieve that. So that absolute silence. Now I have got the confidence. So Patriji has given me that confidence. So,
Thank you, sir.
ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು.
We have decided now. After ಗುರುವಾರ